Gentlemen, your cologne isn't just how you smell, it's how people remember you. Today, I'm revealing 10 signature scents that will transform how people perceive you, from affordable game changers to luxury investments that are worth every penny. Listen up, because what I'm about to share with you isn't just about smelling good. It's about commanding respect the moment you walk into a room. What you need is a scent that says you're established, confident, and sophisticated, not desperate to smell like a college freshman. And that's exactly what these 10 fragrances deliver. We'll start with the most affordable options and work our way up to investment pieces. And don't worry, I've personally tested every single one of these on my own skin. No BS recommendations here. 1. English Laundry Signature. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. A more affordable option can't possibly compete with the big boys. But gentlemen, I'm here to tell you that's dead wrong. English Laundry Signature is what I call a stealth wealth fragrance. It doesn't scream luxury from the rooftops, but the men who know. This is a crisp, gentlemanly scent with a refined balance that punches way above its price point. It opens with bergamot and lemon, giving you that initial burst of freshness that gets noticed without overwhelming. Then it transitions to lavender and cedar in the middle, creating this perfect masculine heart. The dry down is where the magic really happens, though. Sandalwood and Vetiver create this warm, sophisticated base that lasts all day. What makes this perfect for men over 40 is how versatile it is. You can wear this to the office, to dinner, even to more casual settings, and it always feels appropriate. It's never too loud, never too quiet, just perfectly balanced elegance. 2. Bleu de Chanel EDT. Now, I know Chanel makes a few versions of this, the EDP and the Parfum. But for men over 40, the EDT hits the sweet spot of freshness and sophistication. This is what I call a modern classic. It's fresh enough to feel contemporary, but grounded enough to have serious staying power. The citrus top notes give way to a spicy heart, and then it settles into this woody incense base that just exudes quiet confidence. What makes Bleu de Chanel perfect for our age group is that it's recognized without being common. When you wear this, people might not know exactly what you're wearing, but they'll know you smell damn good. It's like that perfectly tailored navy suit that never goes out of style, reliable, respected, and always appropriate. 3. Dior Sauvage EDP. Moving on to Dior Sauvage EDP. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Isn't this too popular? Here's my take. Something isn't popular for no reason. Sauvage became a phenomenon because it flat out works. The EDP version is particularly well suited for men over 40 because it's got more depth and warmth than the EDT. That spicy bergamot opening grabs attention immediately. But it's the ambroxan and warm vanilla in the base that really sets it apart. This is a bold, confident scent. It projects well, which means people will notice you when you enter a room. Is it common? Yes. But on a man with gray at his temples and the confidence that comes with experience, it transforms into something distinctive. Men's Health consistently recommends this for our age group. And I have to agree, if you're looking for a fragrance with serious mass appeal that still feels premium, Sauvage EDP delivers every time. 4. Armani Acqua di Parfum. Fourth on our list is Armani Acqua di Parfum. Not the original, which, let's be honest, every man and his brother wore in the 90s, but the Parfum version, which is a completely different animal. This takes everything that made the original a classic and elevates it to something more sophisticated and mature. It's still got that marine freshness, but now it's deeper, more complex, with green notes and a rich woody base. What makes this perfect for men over 40 is that it's familiar but evolved, just like you. It says you understand the classics, but you're not stuck in the past. The longevity is excellent too, easily lasting a full workday without needing to reapply. This is what I call a second look fragrance. People will smell it and think they know what it is, then take a second look because there's something more interesting going on. It's perfect for the office, client meetings, or anytime you need to project quiet authority. 5. Diptyque Tam Dao. Now we're moving into slightly more niche territory with Diptyque Tam Dao. If you haven't explored beyond department store fragrances, this is the perfect entry point into the world of niche scents. Tam Dao is centered around sandalwood and cedar. It's woody, elegant, and understated in the best possible way. There's nothing loud or brash here, just quiet, refined confidence. What makes this ideal for men over 40 is its subtlety. It doesn't announce itself. It reveals itself to those who get close enough. It's like a perfectly tailored suit in a room full of off-the-rack options. Those who know quality will notice immediately. This is what I call a personal space fragrance. It's not going to fill a room, but when someone leans in to speak with you, they'll be captivated. It's intimate, sophisticated, and perfect for dinner dates or any situation where you want to make a more personal impression. 6. Creed Aventus. Halfway through our list, we arrive at perhaps the most talked about men's fragrance of the last decade. Creed Aventus. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, it's hyped. But gentlemen, sometimes the hype is justified. Aventus opens with a blast of pineapple and blackcurrant that immediately grabs attention. The heart notes of birch and Moroccan jasmine add complexity, while the base of musk, oak moss, and ambergris creates a foundation that lasts all day. What makes Aventus perfect for men over 40 is its versatility and impact. This fragrance works in virtually any situation: business meetings, social events, date nights, and it consistently makes an impression. It projects success and confidence without trying too hard. Dapper and Groomed consistently ranks this as a top choice for men in our age bracket, calling it the power fragrance for a reason. When you wear Aventus, you're making a statement about who you are and where you stand in life. 7. Parfums de Marly Castley. Next up is Parfums de Marly Castley. If you haven't explored the Parfums de Marly line yet, you're missing out on some of the most impressive fragrances on the market today. Castley is noble, refined, and bold, opening with citrus and apple, before warming into woods and spices. What sets it apart is its perfect balance between freshness and depth. It's never too heavy, never too light, just perfectly calibrated for a man who knows exactly who he is. What makes this ideal for men over 40 is its distinctive character. In a world where too many men smell the same, Castley sets you apart. It's recognizable without being common, impressive without being showy. This is what I call an evening statement fragrance. Wear this to dinner, to events, or anytime you want to leave a lasting impression. The compliments will come, trust me on this one. 8. Bleu de Chanel L'Exclusif. For our 8th spot, we have Bleu de Chanel L'Exclusif, the most sophisticated and mature version in the Bleu de Chanel lineup. If the EDT we discussed earlier is the perfect everyday option, L'Exclusif is what you reach for when you need something with more presence and depth. It takes everything that works about the original and adds richness and complexity. The cedar and sandalwood are more pronounced here, creating a woody sophistication that feels luxurious and refined. The citrus is still present, but more subdued, allowing the deeper notes to take center stage. What makes this perfect for men over 40 is its gravitas. This isn't a fragrance for boys, it's a fragrance for men who have earned their place at the table. It projects authority and refinement without ever being heavy-handed. This is what I call a boardroom fragrance. Wear it when you need to command respect and attention. It's perfect for important meetings, presentations, or any situation where you need to project absolute confidence. 9. Parfums de Marly Althair. Our 9th fragrance is another from Parfums de Marly, Althair. This is rich, sweet, and perfectly balanced. A masterclass in sophisticated sweetness that never veers into cloying territory. Althair opens with an amber-vanilla combination that immediately draws people in. As it develops, it reveals layers of musk and woods that add depth and complexity. The sweetness is always present, but never overwhelming. It's controlled and mature. What makes this ideal for men over 40 is how it balances warmth and sophistication. It's inviting without being desperate, rich without being heavy. It creates an aura around you that people want to be near. This is what I call a magnetic fragrance. It draws people closer without you having to say a word. It's perfect for social situations, date nights, or anytime you want to create a warm, inviting presence. 10. Givenchy Gentlemen's Society Ombre. And finally, rounding out our list at number 10, is Givenchy Gentlemen's Society Ombre. This is elegant, mature, and full of character. The perfect signature scent for a man who knows exactly who he is and isn't afraid to show it. Leather, tobacco, amber, and spicy resins create a rich, complex profile that evolves beautifully throughout the day. It starts strong but never overwhelming, and the dry down is where it really shines. Warm, sophisticated, and distinctly masculine. What makes this perfect for men over 40 is its unapologetic maturity. This isn't trying to make you smell younger. It's celebrating the sophistication that comes with age and experience. It's confident, established, and refined. This is what I call a signature statement fragrance, something distinctive enough to become your personal trademark. Wear this when you want to be remembered, when you want to make an impression that lasts long after you've left the room. Tips for picking and wearing your signature scent, especially at 40+. Now that we've covered the 10 best signature scents, let me give you some practical advice on how to choose and wear the right fragrance. First, go for balance. When you're in your 40s and beyond, you want to avoid extremes. Too youthful, those ultra-fresh, heavily citrus scents can feel out of place. Too dark and heavy can be overwhelming. The best fragrances for mature men usually strike that perfect middle ground. Second, consider longevity and sillage. A signature scent needs to last, ideally 6 to 8 hours minimum. There's nothing worse than having your fragrance disappear by lunchtime. Test it on your skin, not just on paper, because your unique chemistry will affect how it performs. Third, adapt by season and time. Lighter scents like Bleu de Chanel or Tam Dao work beautifully for daytime and warmer weather. Richer options like Gentlemen's Society or Althair shine in the evening or cooler months. Having at least 2 signature scents, one lighter, one deeper, gives you versatility. Fourth, and this is crucial, test on your skin before committing. What smells sublime on paper doesn't always perform the same way on skin. Your body chemistry, diet, even medications can affect how a fragrance develops. Always get a sample or decant before investing in a full bottle. Finally, rotate. Don't commit to one immediately. Try 2 to 3 picks for a few weeks before making one your 10 out of 10 rated signature. Give yourself time to see how each performs in different situations, how people react, and most importantly, how you feel wearing it. Remember, gentlemen, a signature scent isn't just about smelling good. It's about creating a lasting impression. It becomes part of your personal brand, something people associate with you even when you're not in the room. So there you have it. 10 absolute knockout signature scents for men over 40. From affordable game changers to luxury investments. Each one has been carefully selected to complement the confidence and sophistication that comes with age and experience. Whether you go with the accessible elegance of English laundry signature or the distinguished character of Givenchy Gentlemen's Society Ombre, you're making a statement about who you are and how you want to be perceived. Now I'm curious, which of these fragrances caught your attention? Have you tried any of them already? Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're most interested in trying first. And if you found this guide helpful, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe for more content was specifically designed for men who want to age with style and confidence. I've got videos coming up on everything from wardrobe essentials to grooming tips that will transform how you present yourself to the world. Until next time, gentlemen, remember, it's not about looking younger, it's about looking better. And the right signature scent is one of the most powerful tools you have to make that happen.